No.
We're building with the mechanic set.
And
What are we going to be building? A car?
yes.
Okay, yeah, let's start now.
First we need 6 balls.
6 boards? Okay.
And these are balls if you don't notice.
Those tiny things?
This is a nut and this is a ball.
Okay, let's start then.
And 6
So we're doing step 1 now.
yes, we're doing stuff.
So for
Oh,
step
two of
1,
these.
we need 6 bolts
Two of
and
these
2 of those black things.
and 1 of this. So there's literally only 1 of them.
Okay.
And
So
2 yellow things. They're always used for some reason.
yeah, because that's the main part or something.
Yeah, that's the main part of everything.
So if you lose any of those, you can't build anything anymore.
If you can do something creative with this big red thing here.
So but you won't be able to build anything in the manual. So I have to find those yellow things then.
You lost them?
Yeah, I did. Okay, let's build then.
Got almost everything.
Okay. You know, Nishay, let's play a game while you get those things, okay?
Okay.
So, you keep getting them. Oh, you're wearing a lion shirt. It's like me. Even though it's not like me because I look like this.
Yes.
I don't look like that lion in Mr. Shirt at all.
That's a real lion. And you are real, of course.
Yeah, I am a real lion. Look at me. Don't I look like a real lion to you?
Yes.
Anyway, we're going to play a game now, Nishay. Do you remember that game we played in your previous video?
Yes.
So I'm going to start with the letter and you need to keep the last letter you need to say a different word. It's like word building. Okay, it is word building. I'm going to start with A. So A for apple. Apple ends with E. You say something ending with E, starting with E, Nishay, while you are getting everything from the set. What starts from E?
People.
Egg.
Egg is G.
But egg starts with E.
Yeah, it starts with E, but it's supposed to end with G.
No, it's supposed to start with E.
Egg.
Okay, G for E then. I'm going to say gorilla. Gorilla ends with A, so you have to say something from A.
Apple.
You can't copy me.
So what? I want apple, please.
There are different words starting from A.
Ant.
Okay, and anyway, Nishay, are we going to build it now?
Yes, I'm still getting the stuff.
Okay.
It's pretty slow when you need 6 pieces for it.
Okay. Okay, Nishay. So we're going to build it now?
Yeah, I have everything.
So start building it then. Fast, 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 fast.
Okay, step 1. We do this.
We need to connect that to both of those pieces.
It's pretty hard.
Okay.
Without the screwdriver, of course.
Okay, so you are going to connect those two black pieces to the yellow piece. Okay, fine. What else are you going to do after that? What are you going to do after that?
This thing over here and the one at the front then. Like this.
Okay. Okay, Nishay, so you're done with the first step? Okay, what's the next step?
Step 2 is obviously the saddle.
Adding seeds? Okay, let's have seeds then now. I like adding seeds. They look so funny.
Yes,
Like
they
you
look
could
so-
really sit in them.
Yeah, you can. This
Well,
little,
I can't. I'm too big.
this little person can though.
Little people can.
Did you see that? Let's go past.
Yeah, it's okay. So you're just going to attach the seats on now? Do you need one seat or two seats?
2 seats.
Okay.
But it's pretty hard to attach 2 seats if you don't have a hole in the middle.
Yeah, it is.
And it's pretty hard to only, and I have to attach 1 seat.
Okay. You attached the seat. What's the next step, Miss J?
The next step. No, there's something next in something.
Oh, we're going to add that yellow thingy now?
Now I know why it's supposed to be bent.
Oh, it's for putting the steering wheel, right?
And it's supposed to be for like
Okay. So you built it now. Okay, Miss J, are you done with the second step now?
Yes, almost. I have to tighten it.
Okay. Okay, Miss J. So, do you like playing word building? Did you like playing word building?
Yes.
You want to play word building now?
Okay.
Okay, I'll start.
See, I'm done.
Oh, nice. It looks so cool.
Shall we move on to step 3?
Yeah, move on to step 3. Step 3, Miss J. And also, I'm going to start with A. And my word is going to be apple.
1.
Okay. Apple ends with E. So you should say something starting with E.
Egg.
Eggs ends with G. I'm going to say grapes. Grapes ends with S. So you have to say something starting from S.
Snake.
Okay. Yeah, snake is nice. So you build that now. What do we need
Look
to do?
at the hood.
It looks so cool.
It's actually like a hood. You can have.
Oh, it bent down.
You can have.
Oh, it fell down.
And open it. Close and open. Close and open.
Okay. Okay. It's going to be the next step. Miss J, what are we going to do?
The next step is just adding this red.
And the wheels?
Yes.
Okay. Nice red thingy.
That's the red.
Okay. Let's put the wheels on now, Miss J.
Step 4. The last step of all steps.
Okay. That's
The
a
one step.
Then let's do it.
Soon to be finished.
Yeah. Okay. So you're just putting the wheels now. After we do this, what are we going to do next?
Build a car if you want.
Okay. Do you like cars, Miss J?
Yes.
I like cars.
I love them.
When you grow up, do you want to drive a car?
Yes.
Okay.
And also become an astronaut.
Can I also become an astronaut?
Okay.
I'll also go to Mars with you.
Okay.
I can be the first lion on Mars. And you will be the first man on Mars.
The first guy you are.
Human.
Human on Mars. Okay, let's close the hood. We don't want to break too many electronics. It's almost finished.
Okay, is it done now? Is it done now?
Yes.
Show it to the camera.
Wait. The wheel is not good. But this is how it's supposed to look.
Oh, it's so
And
nice.
with the hood open. And with the hood.
Nice. Nishte, let's build a car now. Okay, bye. We're going to build a different car
Let's
now.
take
Bye
this
bye.
car and take information.